In this video, you create timber-braced frame walls lined with tongue and groove solid timber boards. When you use the Wall tool, the wall types available in the project are listed on the Properties palette in the Type list. Unfortunately, none of the default wall types are going to work in this shelter project, so you need to create a new one. To do so, you duplicate one of the existing wall types and modify its properties. You give it a new name and then edit the structure of the wall. You specify the width of the framing and then assign the wood material. In the Material browser, you can select from the materials that are already defined in the current project, or you can select materials from the Autodesk and AEC materials libraries. You can also create new materials and edit their graphics, appearance, physical, and thermal properties. You can insert as many layers as necessary when you create a wall style. Each layer represents a component of the wall. The second layer you create for this wall style is a layer to represent the vertical wood planks that line the outside of the walls. Once the wall style is defined, you draw walls with precise dimensions using the direct entry and tracking tools. Since the base and top constraint values are set to specific levels, those properties control the height of the walls. As you draw the walls in the plan view, they are also displayed in the elevation view. You can also view the elements in 3D by creating a 3D view. Notice that the walls in the Level 1 view are displayed thicker than the lines in the other views. The thickness is displayed relative to the zoom level. This is because each line has a line style assigned to it that will allow certain lines to print thicker than others, so they will stand out more on a sheet. That can sometimes get in the way when you are viewing the elements in Revit, so you can turn on the option to display all lines on the screen as the same width no matter the zoom level. Additionally, you can change the detail view in each view to specify what level of detail the elements should display. Notice that when you change to medium detail, the two components that make up the walls are displayed. To finish off the walls, you need to make one more change. The bottom edge of the walls were originally set to line up with Level 1, but we need to raise them so that the walls sit on top of the floor that we create in the next steps.